bow section of the latest Type 26 frigate, being constructed in Glasgow, has arrived on the Clyde. The front part of HMS Birmingham, fabricated at Camel Laird shipyard in Merseyside, was carried up water on a barge. The modular design of modern ships allows work to be distributed to different shipyards throughout the UK, aimed at sustaining the domestic shipbuilding sector. The bow unit will now be moved into the huge new shipbuilding hall at Govan, where BAE Systems, the main contractor, is assembling the warship. HMS Birmingham is the fourth of 8 Type 26 frigates, which are advanced anti-submarine warships, being built in Glasgow for the Royal Navy. The first of them, HMS Glasgow, entered the water late in 2022 and is still being fitted out at BAE Systems Scotstoun site and should be starting sea trials later in 2026.